Are you an engineer who wants to become a powerful leader? Well, there's one thing that you have to know. Every single word that you use as a leader matters. And in this episode of Engineering Management Lessons, I'm going to give you a lesson that I learned that can help you to be a more effective leader and communicator. Let's jump right in. So recently at the Engineering Management Institute, we've been doing some management and leadership training with our team members to help them grow and to help them to be able to take the next steps in their leadership journey. And in having some of these conversations, I realized that some people became upset or confused about some of the words that we were using, and specifically the words manager and leader, right? Some people thought, hey, I thought I was a leader, but now I'm being called a manager, or vice versa, or whatever the case may be. And the point is that people were frustrated for a little while or confused because of it. And number one, if I would have used some different language, it wouldn't have been that way. And then number two, if they would have been comfortable enough to come and tell me about it sooner, we also wouldn't have had some of those frustrations. Luckily, we've been able to talk through it together, and now everyone is happy about it. But it was a good lesson for me in that every single thing that you say as a leader needs to be thought out and communicated. And you need to understand that people put a ton of weight on the messages that you're sending, whether they're written messages, videos, or actual live conversation, right? And I think that this is something that we as technical professionals struggle with, right? Because we're doing the calculations, we're doing the reports, we're running these projects, and then all of a sudden one day we're leading people, right? And people don't see us doing calculations per se or writing the report, but people listen to us as a leader. They read our emails as a leader. They read our Teams or Slack messages as the leader, and they take that to heart. So my message for you today is I want you to think about the words that you're using, the phrases that you're using, how you're using them, the context, the tone of voice. Everything matters as a leader, and I hope that you can be very intentional and very clear in your communication efforts with your team, because it will make all the difference for you as a leader in the engineering world. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers become better managers and leaders. I'll see you next week.